Hello, I'm Brian Anderson, a complex and minimally invasive spine fellow at Swedish Neuroscience Institute. Here's what's happening at SSF this week. Tuesday evening, the Texas Back Institute will discuss spine tumors at our Interesting Spine Case Discussion Series. Dr. Stacy Wolf from Wake Forest University will give a talk entitled What We Know About Aneurysm Development, Novel Mechanisms, and Therapeutic Targets, Wednesday morning at our Cerebrovascular Q&A series. Thursday, we will host our Neurology Case Conference. And mark your calendar for May 25th, when we will host our third annual Image-Guided Interventional Spine Procedures course. This advanced training course will cover the latest and most cutting-edge interventional spine procedures through a combination of expert lectures and hands-on cadaveric demonstrations in the SSF BioSkills Lab. This course represents the next phase of evolution in minimally invasive, image-guided surgical treatment of the spine. As always, you can register for any of our courses at ssfcme.org. And thank you for your support of the Seattle Science Foundation.